Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to change the tail light or turn signal or reverse bulbs, and they're very easy to do on these trucks. And so we're going to first go and open the tailgate, and off to the side we're going to see two screws. Now these are Torx, so if you look at them they have the 6-point, so don't try to use an Allen on them, don't try to use a cross-point screwdriver, you'll strip them out. And they're not in very tight, but we will be needing a T30 Torx is the size. So T for Torx, 30 is the size there. Just make sure that it's the right one. Again, it has the 6 points on it. And so what we're going to do is just come in and loosen both of these screws. And we'll do it evenly, the top one and the bottom one. Now, the tail light shouldn't really just fall out, but it's good to support it with your hand. We're going to go ahead and remove the top screw and the bottom screw here. Now, there's two posts right here and here, and this taillight will come out directly towards us. They're kind of like a Christmas tree post, so they stick in. So I really don't want to pop this one out until I really need to, but you would just pull it towards yourself. If you look up in there, you'll see the post that I'm talking about and how the taillight's kind of going into it. So I'll show you on my older truck. Once the taillight's off, we're going to go ahead and just twist this bulb. And so the socket twists counterclockwise to open it up, and the bulb comes out. With these bulbs, you just pull on them and they pop out. You'll replace the new bulb, and the wiring harness will still be connected to the truck. This is another wiring harness that I had just to show you. But you just pull the old bulb out and pop the new one in, and then just line it back up in here. And it is clocked, so usually it's about 3 positions that you line up, and then you turn it back to clockwise. So anyway, then you'll just put the taillight back in and line the screws up, and don't go too tight on these, just make sure they're firm. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please check the playlist that I have in the video description on more videos on this truck, and if you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. Thanks guys.